If you want to use Secure Folder on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Here we're gonna scroll down and we need to find Security and Privacy. Then in here we should be able to find more security settings, and then in this menu we have the Secure Folder. So here we need to scroll down and tap on Continue. Then we need to grant some permissions, so tap on Continue to do so. And now wait a couple of seconds to let the phone create the Secure Folder. Now you can choose the password type that you want to use for your secure folder. So of course you can choose a PIN code, password, pattern, and then in addition to that you can set up fingerprints. Now in my case I'm just gonna use a simple pattern. There we go. Of course we need to enter our password twice in order to continue. You can also use your Samsung account to be able to reset the password in case you forget it. So in my case, I'm going to tap on Allow and then go Next. You can also choose what should happen when the secure folder gets locked. So you can either allow background activity or you can just close all apps that you have opened via secure folder. Then over here, we also have an information that we can hide secure folder as well. There we go, the secure folder has been created. You can find the access to the secure folder just by simply going to the app drawer, and there we go. You can tap on these three dots to find a couple of different options, like for example, we can lock and exit, and then the next time you try to open it, you have to use the password. Besides that, we have the option to hide the secure folder. We can add files to the secure folder, so then you can use the My Files app to find all your hidden files, of course, that you have inside the secure folder. And there is also the customize option, so you can change the appearance of the secure folder as well, and its name, I guess. And here in settings, you can find, of course, more stuff like, let's say you can change the password, you can manage some notifications, and so on and so forth. Other than that, you should also be able to use this plus button, which allows you to add apps to the secure folder. So here we have a list of all apps that you have on your phone, and then whichever app you choose, it's going to be added, installed in the secure folder. Now this is important. Apps are not moved, they are installed in the secure folder. So if I add, let's say, Instagram over here to the secure folder, I still have Instagram outside. There we go, here it is. So this is what I mean by saying that it is these apps are installed that you choose, of course. They are installed in the secure folder. This also means that these are pretty much separate apps. So even if you have a duplicated app over here in the secure folder, it has separated data from the app that you have outside of the secure folder. So this, in theory, allows you to, for example, hide your apps using the secure folder. You can also use the secure folder to, let's say, keep some apps private and so on and so forth. And in addition to that, you don't have to have an app installed on your phone in order to have it in the secure folder. While here we have the list of apps that we already have installed, you can also use the Play Store or Galaxy Store, and then you can download apps using these stores to have it in the secure folder. And whatever you install in the secure folder, you just install it over here, not outside of the secure folder. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.